All right, I will be right back.
All right, I'll be here.
All right.
A reminder to all you filmmakers out there, the early bird submission pricing for the Black Cat Picture Show is through January 7th, 2024, baby.
Go.
What did you do?
I had to! You know how expensive it is to submit to film festivals? There's no other way!
Did you submit to the early bird deadline for Black Cat Picture Show? On Film Freeway?
What? Well, no. Well, now you tell me.
Okay. You know what? It's okay. There's still plenty of time.
Well, what are you waiting for? Drive! We need to go submit our film!
Okay.
Don't wait. Submit your film for consideration today to the Black Cat Picture Show to enjoy early bird submission pricing.